here will tell you a story about one of us. Come on, we mustn't be late. Keep together, kids. Don't get lost. It's going to be a busy day. Ready? Yes, sir. Come on, let's go, kids. Come on.
What's going on?
Perhaps you'll talk about us.
The bear stories are always so interesting. Interesting like us.
Where is he? I don't see
I
him.
bet he stopped to eat some honey in the bees chapter. We all know how greedy he is.
I want the kids to learn about predators. He's coming.
Quit that jumping.
I see it all here. Well, today the great book of nature is open at another chapter. You're going to learn all about the octopus.
Hey, look what floated down from the surface.
What is it? Never saw anything like it in my life.
A picture of a giant octopus.
Well, if it's just a picture, we got nothing to worry about, right? We can go about our daily lives as usual, right? Huh? Huh?
It's scary.
Certainly is.
What's there to be afraid of? It's just a picture, a piece of paper.
Yes, that's true. But still, I'm not sure. The fact is, there's never been one around here. No octopus, in the flesh or otherwise. On the other hand, it's perfectly true that a piece of paper can't harm us, unless it's a calling card of sorts.
I can't help it, I'm worried.
Worry when you see one, not before. That's what I say.
Well, we'll have to keep
Well,
our eyes peeled for
If
him.
he shows his ugly face around here, I'll thrash him within an inch of his life. You can count on it.
You're right. Hiding from him won't do any good at all. We'll have to stand up to him.
I'll be so fast he won't even see me. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I'll attack him from all sides. Whoosh, whoosh. He won't even know what hit him, I promise.
I'll burn up his tentacles like this and this.
I'll be so fast you'll never see me. Wee, 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 wee.
Where'd he go?
What about
Oh,
you,
there.
Mr. Sue?
He'll never see me either. I got my own bag of tricks. Here, I'll show you what I mean. Simple but effective, don't you think?
You're nothing but a bunch of wimpy fraidy cats. You talk big, but you don't dare make a move. I'll show you what it's like to have courage. I'll show you what it's like not to be afraid of an octopus, be it in the flesh or not. I'm going outside the community borders for my afternoon constitutional. La-di-da, what a nice day. In the sea, in the sea, in the beautiful sea. In the sea, in the sea, in the beautiful sea. La-la-la.
Hey, there's a big lunk of a shark muscling in on our hunting grounds. You're not gonna let him get away with it, are you? Come on, Fathead, do something about it!
Golly! Fluffy, I just saw the octopus. I just saw the giant octopus. He saved me from certain death when I was in the jaws of a huge, horrendous shark.
It's an ill wind that blows nobody any good, I always say. If he keeps our waters free of sharks, he's more than welcome here. Only we should find out what his intentions are. For instance, does he mean to settle down in these parts, or is he just passing through?
Hey, one blue plate special coming this way! Do one of your camouflage numbers, quick!
Hey, where the heck is he? I don't see a thing.
He got away, darn it.
Boy, you are really hopeless, lame brain. How many times I tell you gotta be quick off the mark? How many, huh?
Gosh, you're right, Starfy. I'm real sorry. He just sort of slipped out of my tentacles, but it won't happen again, I swear it. Next time, we'll have a real nice clam bake. You can count on it for sure.
Well, there's no use crying over spilt milk, bonehead. From now on, you know how we gotta act? Smart. We worm our way into their good graces, become trusted members of the community. Then when the time is ripe, we snatch them all up at once and have ourselves a good old banquet.
Sure got a brain on you, Starfy.
Hey, everybody! We all have to be on the alert. A giant octopus has moved into our territory, and he's dangerous.
You don't have to worry about us sea urchins. We're too thorny for any predator.
All right, but pass the word along. Tell everyone you see to be careful, will you?
Oh, sure. We'll be happy to do that. Be a pleasure.
Thank you. Make sure you don't forget.
Unaware of the deadly peril that is about to burst in on their lives, our finny friends continue their usual carefree ways, showing their happiness with songs and dances. Their frolicsome capers and aquatic acrobatics are a visible expression of their unwitting bliss. Even the bivalves join in from their sandy beds, not climbing up, but flexing their muscles in sheer exuberance.
They're over the next rise, look! Set us down, lunkhead! We'll use this as an observation post for a while.
All that dumb singing and carrying on.
Get down! Dummy, don't let anyone see you!
I've got to hurry and warn the others.
The marlin's here! Camouflage!
Stop all this nonsense. How can you sing and dance and make merry when we're all in mortal danger?
What are you seeing?
Things are nice and quiet around here.
Absolutely.
Is that how you see things? Well, I'll have you know a giant octopus just tried to catch me.
A giant octopus.
You mean like the one in the picture?
And we're in terrible danger.
What are we to do?
We have to stick together and be on constant alert, you guys. He's a monster, and he could attack any of us at any time, even when we least expect it. We need to set up a regular patrol schedule. I'll take a quick look around.
Hey, Starfy, look, that skinny guy who got away from me is on patrol. We'd better get out of here.
Wow, where do you think you're going, you stupid clodhopper? Sit down and listen to me for a moment. I'm the one with the brains. Now, the thing we have to do is outsmart them. Or do you feel like dying of hunger?
No, Starfy.
Then we have to make them think that you're a kind and caring Mr. Nice Guy. Listen, meathead, if you run away now, you know what'll happen? You'll be the laughing stock of the whole ocean. Is that what you want?
Oh, no, not really.
Well, get to work. Announce your presence by moving the water around with your jet.
Do all you guys feel the water moving strangely? I wonder what could be causing that.
Keep it up, keep it up! Move it, will you?
Help!
Keep it up, keep it up! One more big one! Okay, knock it off. Hello there, dear friends. Gather around. We'd like to get to know you. Hi there.
Goodness gracious, my word! You really are immense. You must be the most powerful thing in the ocean. It would be wonderful to have a friend as big and strong as you. You could protect us from the sharks, and we could continue our carefree existence and not have to worry about anything at all.
I'd be real pleased to do something to show my friendship.
Could you build us a shark shelter?
Sure as you're born. These here boulders should do for a start.
We're so lucky to have met you.
Keep it up.
Hey, everybody! Our new friend, the giant octopus, is building us a shelter to protect us from the sharks. Isn't that wonderful?
Show our dear friends what a great quick change artist you are.
What in tarnation is going on there? Are they crazy? They should be fleeing, and instead they're partying. I've got to warn them without showing myself. It's a trap. I just know it.
Isn't he just the greatest thing since sauteed seaweed?
How can I do this? How can I get over there and warn my friends?
There. It's finished. I hope you like it. Come on, take a look at your new shark shelter.
Don't be shy, friends. Step right up and rubberneck.
Oh, isn't this just something else? We'll be so safe in here.
I do admire the Bauhaus influence. Wow, huh?
Go ahead, take a look around, pal.
Appropriately harmonious with its environment. Very Frank Lloyd Wright. My compliments.
Just get in.
I think I see a crack he didn't cover. Yes! What's wrong with you? Are you all out of your minds? Thank goodness I found a crack in the wall so I could get in here and warn you.
Did you hear what he
Don't
said?
you realize that this is nothing more or less than an ingenious trap so they can have us at their mercy and can pick us off one by one or gather us together in one fell swoop, whichever they prefer?
You're wrong, Mr. Marlin. This is a shelter that they built to protect us from the sharks.
Looks just about right, pal. You did a good job. Now they're ours whenever we want them.
You are fools to trust them. Everyone knows that the octopus is a vicious predator.
But they seem so nice and obliging, Mr. Marlin. How were we to know?
Well, it's too late for recriminations. We've got to get out of here. Quickly, through that crack I discovered. All of you, hurry, hurry, hurry!
I suppose you're right.
Let the banquet begin. Move those tentacles. Come on, grab something. My stomach's growling. We're wasting time. Let's have an appetizer.
Oh, no.
Hey, watch out!
I'll get it what for you.
One of them pulled a sucker punch on me.
Hurry, come on!
Quit wasting time, you harmless idiot! Can't you see they've all escaped?
Oh, yeah, you're right about that, Starfy. I'd better take off after him.
Teeth! Ouch! That!
Ouch!
Where did they all go?
Help!
Don't tell me they went back inside. I can't believe it.
Gotcha! You'll never get away now!
No! Help! No!
Sweet, tender little thing, I just can't wait.
Keep going. Swim as fast as you can. Come on, come on, come on.
We have to get the word out quickly. Warn everyone, or it's the end for all of us.
Oh, that miserable marlin lousing things up again. If I could just get four hands on him, I'd show him a thing or two.
We've got to tackle him all at once. We can't let him get away. Let's go. Come on, move those fins. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, I can't see a thing! What do we
Keep
do?
on going. We're not going to give up now. Come on.
Oh, in here.
We'll see him as soon as we're rid of this cloud!
Where the heck is he gone? All right, listen carefully. We have to patrol the whole
away.
zone. You stay here. I'm going to look for
We'll
reinforcements.
keep watch. Everything seems to be pretty much under control here.
Nothing over here either. Not a thing in sight. Just rocks and seaweed where I am. I guess he left. Our show of force must have frightened him. Speak up, I can't hear you. He's here!
We did it! We did it!
That was some battle, wasn't it, kids? For a while there, I thought every one of us was gonna wind up sliding down that monster's craw.
Never, ever again will I be such a harebrained idiot as to believe one word an octopus tells me. I take a solemn oath in front of the whole company.
All right, but the important thing to remember is that he'll never dare show his face around here again. We stayed united, and because of that, he met his match and was defeated. I think we can all congratulate ourselves.
After sending the fearsome beast off in ignominious defeat, the community quickly returned to its normal life. The fish expressed through songs and dances and great merrymaking their pleasure in having been delivered from such a baleful monster. As everyone knows, there's nothing more conducive to a feeling of satisfaction and well-being than the knowledge that one can, whenever one feels like it, go for a languid swim with one's friends. and the secure knowledge that no fiendish octopus is about to leap out from behind a boulder and spread terror and destruction throughout the group. Yes, it was a wonderful life once again.
The octopus. How is the octopus classified in the animal kingdom? The octopus is a cephalopod mollusk belonging to the Octopoda order, the Octobididae family, and the octopus genus. It has a sac-like body, 8 long tentacles with 2 rows of 20 suckers each, and large eyes with eyelids. The legendary giant octopus was a Jules Verne invention and exists only in people's imagination. All the same, the common octopus does grow quite large. Examples 3 meters long, weighing up to 25 kilos, are sometimes caught in the Mediterranean. How many species are there and where do they live? The octopus genus is divided into 4 different species. The best known is the common octopus, the Octopus vulgaris, which is found with various subspecies all over the world. How do they live? Octopuses like to live on the seabed, and this means they're seldom seen in open waters. They lead solitary, retiring lives, except during the mating season. How do they move? By crawling across the seabed on their tentacles, or standing on them to hide in crevices on the rocky bottom. What do they eat? The octopus is a skillful hunter, with a preference for prawns, crabs, and various bivalve mollusks. They have been known to follow crabs out of their holes in the rock. How do they protect themselves? The octopus flees danger by means of jet propulsion, or rather by squeezing water out through a funnel-shaped opening under the head. This tactic often allows it to escape predators such as the moray and the conger eel and the grey crab. How do they relate to people? With difficulty, since for many, the octopus is considered a gourmet delight.
Well, have you all learned the lesson? The moral is that where there's a will, there's a way, and good will always defeat evil. Oh, look who's coming!